Welcome back to Stuff About tutorial. Today we are talking about how to archive a product in Shopify store. Why would you want to know how to archive a product in Shopify store? Well, maybe it is your first time using Shopify and not sure how to archive a product in Shopify store. So today I am going to show you how to archive a product in Shopify store. Check video description and I will try to leave the written instructions. Archiving a product in Shopify store is quite simple and easy to do. First of all, open any browser. Now write admin.shopify.com in search bar. Now here in left corner, you are seeing different options. Click on product. Now here are all of your products in Shopify store. Select a product you want to archive. Now here in bottom, you are seeing different options. Click on three dots. Now click on archive products. Again click on archive product. After selecting the product will be archived. There you go. If you wanted to know how to archive a product in Shopify store, that is the easiest way I know how. If you know another way, to leave a comment below. Be sure to subscribe for more videos.